How do you install wheel spacers on your BMW M4?
BMW M4 wheel spacers are safe to use as long as the wheel spacers are installed correctly. Using a cross spanner to loosen the stock bolt on the front wheel side in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them altogether. A better safety measure would be placing jack stand to support each end of the car. Using a cross spanner to remove stock bolt on the front wheel side. Installing a wheel hanger. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacers to not fit perfectly with the hub. Installing the BONOSS Forge Lightweight Plus BMW M4 wheel spacers. Then install the wheel hanger. Insert the wheel and the extending wheel bolt. Use a torque spanner to tighten the extending wheel bolts to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the extending wheel bolts work. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and front, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommend checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe. If you're looking for BMW wheel spacers with durability and are lightweight, then BONOSS Forge Lightweight Plus wheel spacers kit is a perfect option. The spacers are machined with hollow covered holes. Under the promise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy. Consumption loss improves control performance and achieves a balance between a high performance and environmental protection. Although Lightweight Plus costs an additional increase in production cost, for a better customer experience, we have maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade.
Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.